welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do one experiment with my brother. For that experiment we need one hair dryer of any company and one small ball. It's a ping pong ball. So guys, let's start our experiment and my brother is going to tell you steps. Before that, please check that your fan should be off while doing the experiment, and after the experiment you can on the fan. Thank you. Let's start the steps.
Step 1. Keep the plug in place and on the switch.
Step 2.
Keep the hairdryer in full speed.
As in the 3-speed, guys.
And as the final step, place the ping pong ball. Oh no!
It's failed. See how it goes. See how the ball is going and she's shadow.
Okay guys.
Bye and thank you for visiting our channel and seeing. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share some comments about this experiment. Thank you guys.
And
Bye.
share this video to your friends also.
Thank you. Bye. See you.